Good morning, Amira. How are you today?
I'm good, miss. How about you?
I'm good. Okay. Before we start our class, are you ready to this class?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready to study English?
Yes.
Okay. Before we start our class, let's do some ice breaking. I have some for you, and you have to answer with "I'm fine." Yeah. When I ask you, "Good morning, Amira. How are you?"
I'm
Yeah.
fine.
Okay, let's start it. Let's get started. Good morning, Amira. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Amira. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, Amira. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay. Nah, today, okay, before we start our class, I want to ask you a simple question. Do you like tea?
Yes.
And can you make a cup of tea by yourself?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Today our topic is procedure text. What is procedure text? Yeah. Procedure text is a text that tell us how to do something or how to make something. So this text like explain the steps how to do something or how to make something. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
What is the text? Right? Procedure?
Thanks.
Okay. Can you repeat it?
Yes.
Procedure
Sure.
text. Good job. Okay, so here we have prepared our material, our requirement, our tool to do procedure text, how to make a cup of tea. What is the equipment? What is this? This is a spoon, and then this is a sugar. This is sugar, and this is a cup of water. Yeah, and this is tea bag. Okay. I will give you the instruction how to make a cup of tea or how to do something. Yeah, we usually use procedure text in our daily life. Ya, can you mention it? Apa saja coba yang biasanya dilakukan procedure text itu di kegiatan sehari-hari? Coba selain
Memasak.
ya cooking, how to make maybe the example of cooking, how to make a scrambled egg, how to make scrambled egg. Do you know scrambled egg?
Yes.
Okay, and next what else? Yang lainnya apa?
Hmm.
Selain memasak, coba how to use something. Gimana menggunakan sesuatu. Misal, gimana menggunakan hijab yang dibentuk-bentuk kayak gitu. Ya, itu kan ada step-stepsnya. Okay? And then how to make a drink. Nah, this is our material today, and we will do this. Ya. For example. So the generic structure. Procedure text has generic structure. What is generic structure of procedure text? Now please pay attention, ya, dengerin. The first one is goal. What is goal? Tujuan. What is goal?
Tujuan.
Okay. Repeat it. What is goal?
Tujuan.
Tujuan. The goal is tell us what we want to make or what we want to do. Tujuannya adalah untuk apa ya? Untuk menyampaikan untuk mengetahui apa sih yang pengen kita buat atau apa sih yang pengen kita bikin atau apa sih yang pengen kita lakukan. Itu the goal ya, tujuannya. For example, ya. This is we will make a cup of tea. Okay. And then example. Materials. The material, for example, cup, sugar, tea bag, and spoon. And then the steps. Apa itu steps? Langkah. Steps tell us how to do it step by step. Jadi step itu memberitahu kita gimana sih cara bikin itu dari satu langkah ke langkah yang lain. Seperti itu. Do you understand?
Yes.
Can you follow me?
Yes.
Am I too fast? Apa aku kecepatan?
No.
No, okay. Nah, we usually use sequence word in steps. Biasanya kita menggunakan kata-kata sequence seperti first, pertama, and then next, selanjutnya, then, kemudian, and finally, terakhir, seperti itu. And procedure text has language features. Ya, procedure text itu punya language features. We use imperative verb. Imperative verbs are verbs used to give command or instruction. Jadi imperative text itu berisi tentang perintah atau instruksi. Misal, masukkan gula ke gelas seperti itu, ya. Terus stir the tea, aduk tehnya seperti itu. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay. Before we do this activity, make a cup of tea, I will show you one video. Maybe you will learn from this video. Let's watch together. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee, especially ABC Coffee Telepon. Yeah, it's new and it's very simple and very easy to make, and you can make it yourself at home. And okay, let's get started. For ingredients, you need ABC Kopi Telepon and a glass of ice cube, and then a glass of water. And the special of this coffee, you don't need to use hot water because this powder of this coffee can mix very well without a hot water. Yeah, so it's very simple and very easy, isn't it? And for equipment, you need a scissors and 1 spoon and 1 glass. And the steps are, first of all, I'm cutting the sachet of ABC Kopi Telepon. And then I put on the powder of ABC Kopi Telepon into the glass. After that, I'm pouring the water. I'm stirring the powder. Now, after the powder mixed very well, you can put on ice cube into the glass. You can see the coffee is ready to serve. Yeah, it's very delicious. You can try it home. Done. Paham ya setelah melihat ini ya? Okay, let's practice. Let's do practice. We have, what is this? A cup of water, and then a cup and a tea bag and 1 spoon and sugar. If you don't like sugar, you can use it. But if you like sugar, you can add some sugar. Okay? Do you like sugar?
Yes.
Yes, you like it. Okay. Open it. The first steps are, apa tadi steps yang pertama? Okay. We have two glass and spoon. This is an equipment and this is a tea bag. The first one is
Tea bag.
tea bag. Berarti tea bagnya diapain?
Tidak.
Put the tea bag into glass, yeah, and then pour the water. Now, after we pour the water, we do this. We do this. Okay. Maybe it will take a bit long time ya. So, intinya nanti kita wait until the tea is berwarna. Ya, colorful. Yeah, colorful. Good. And add some water if you want it. Do you get it? Add some sugar. Sorry. Okay. Finally, our class is done. Yeah. Before we end our class, I will ask you some question about procedure text. Okay. So today we have learned about what?
Procedure text.
Okay, procedure text. Good job. And then about the generic structure and imperative verbs and sequence words. Next meeting, you will write your own procedure text. So you have to make maybe a video or practice directly, yeah, in front of me. Maybe make or do something, yeah. Selain make a cup of tea. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you next meeting. Goodbye, Amira. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you.